Hello and welcome to another episode of the Prognosis Podcast. Dr. Subramanyam is in BPL Medical Technologies in India, but before that, I think in his career, he has been at every inflection point of healthcare in India, be it at Roche, followed by Novartis, and then leading the India South Asia business of GE Healthcare. Welcome to the show, Dr. Subramanyam.
Thank you. Hey, it's Shravan, please, and thank you so much for having me here.
Logic tells you that trying to solve for healthcare in India is a very tough ask. And it's like playing the game on a hard mode.
Yeah.
What was that compelling reason or calling in your case?
I don't know. I think it's a bit of an addiction to struggle. It's like you want to see a problem and you want to take it head on and try to solve it. There's this draw to India. You see so much potential. There's so much intellectual horsepower here. There's so much clinical need here. That's always been what drives me.
To begin with, if you have to distill your strategic thesis for BPL 2.0 in one sentence, what is it going to be?
The 10 in 10, right? So we would love to be 10x our size in 10 years through a combination of organic and inorganic growth. So if I were to distill commercial goal, it's that. The pathway of how to get there, again, just taking it step by step. Number one, if we could own more of the products that we sell rather than trade. Goal number two is to do the same thing with manufacturing. So if you own the IP, these are proprietary products which you have control over the life cycle, then we can also control the manufacturing cycle. Once we solve for 1 and 2, it gives us the opportunity to sell in other markets, right? But once we own the product and own the manufacturing cycle, then we can expand the market to other geographies which have similar traits to India.